Hello guys, we are here again. This is Chano el Mexicano. How are you doing? This is class number 3. Welcome to class number 3. Today we are going to study the English alphabet. Why? We need letters for words. All words have letters. And we need words for sentences. In all languages, there is a structure, grammatical structure. All languages have a grammatical structure. We are not going to study grammar deeply. We are going to learn grammar little by little, little by little. Little grammar, and then a conversation, vocabulary, etc., etc. But you need to understand what you are studying. It's a language. Okay? This is not a course to learn how to speak it, to speak in the language. Okay? This is a course to learn the language completely. So today we are going to study the English alphabet. Why the letters are important beyond to use them for words? Because in English it's very important to spell. What is spell? To say the letters each one. For example, spell letters. Letters. So spelling, it's very important when you say your name to somebody on the phone and the person doesn't understand very well your name. Say, could you please spell it? And you have to say your name, you have to spell it. For example, my name. For example, my name is Epifanio. But for a person that doesn't speak Spanish, even for people who speak Spanish, Epifanio is a name that they sometimes don't understand. They say, what? So they say, could you please spell it? Yeah? Sure, of course. Epifanio. And that's the way you have to spell your name. My name, for example, Epifanio. Right? And you have to spell numbers too in English. Okay? Names and numbers are common to be spelled. Spell numbers, spell names. So today we are going to learn the English alphabet. So follow me, repeat wherever you are there on the other side, in front of the phone, in front of the laptop, wherever you are watching this video, repeat after me. A, V, C, D, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, double U, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Okay? This is the English alphabet. You must repeat this many times until you can tell it without seeing it. Repeat many times until you can tell it without seeing it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Until you can say it this way without seeing it, you have to study and study and study. You don't know the importance that this has. It has a great importance in English. Spelling. Okay? Well, now we are going to study nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are those words that doesn't have an action. Those words about names, it could be people, places, or objects like a table, marker. This is a marker. Marker is the word is a noun. Okay? It doesn't have any action. In names, my name is Epifanio. So Epifanio is a noun. Is a name. And we have proper names. Why proper names? Because it's mine. It's not yours. Epifanio is my name. It's mine. So it's proper of me. It's a property of me, my name. That is why it is proper name. They need to be a proper name for people and for places. People. Everybody. John, Anne, Victor, Kate, Louise, Lois, Cody, Nikita, whatever the name people have. Places, Egypt, Israel, Mexico, New York, Istanbul, Argentina, Brazil, Ecuador, the United States, Canada, all those are places. Right? The park, the lake, the sea, the beach, all those are places. All the proper names, people or places, they start with a big letter, the first one. This big letter, its name, capital letter. So all proper names start with a capital letter. So this big word is capital letter. The other ones are small. So just the first one is a capital letter in proper names. All proper names start with a capital letter. This is very important in writing. If you want to write correctly, you need to know that proper names start with a capital letters. The alphabet that we studied a few minutes ago has inside vowels and consonants. Vowel is the letters A, E, I, O, U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters that are vowels. And the consonants are the other letters of the alphabet. All the other letters of the alphabet are consonants. Okay? Okay guys, this is all for this class. As always says, if you like this video, if you like this class, if you want to follow me, please thumb up. It is going to help me with the platform, YouTube platform. You can suggest this video to other people. See you next class.